1. Prioritize tasks. Make a list of all the tasks that need to be done and prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. 2. Use the Pomodoro technique. This involves breaking your work into 25-minute intervals, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 intervals, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. 3. Eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone or put it on silent mode, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and use noise-canceling headphones to block out background noise. 4. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks can help you stay refreshed and focused. Go for a walk, do some stretches, or take a power nap. 5. Use productivity apps. There are many apps that can help you manage your time and tasks, such as Trello, Asana, and Evernote. 6. Practice the 80-20th rule. This rule states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Focus on the 20% of tasks that yield the most results to say no. Don't take on too much work or commitments that will leave you feeling overwhelmed and stressed. 8. Delegate tasks. If you have too much on your plate, delegate some tasks to others who are capable of handling them. 9. Set goals. Setting goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable tasks. 10. Take care of yourself. Eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly can help you feel more energized and productive.